I'm the drifter shithead, but I figured if Rachel had an extra car, maybe we could get her started on a little bit of fun. The battery's in water. That's water. That can't be good.
How much?
How pleasant to see you again.
Where in the cosmos am I?
You are in another universe.
I changed the water pump and the oil on the van, so I needed to test it, so I ran it down to Santa Cruz, because there's a side quest out here. What you doing there?
I'm scrambling this.
Say hi.
Hey,
What's your name?
Rachel?
And what are you doing?
I'm scrambling this extension cord.
Come here, kitty. Look at that fat cat. Oh my god, you're huge. Where's Snow? There she is. Hey, girl. Meow. Hey. Hey, girl. Say hi. Snowshoe and Bebop live with Rachel, and Rachel had a situation happen. Point to your car. You like BMWs, huh? So this is your latest car, the red one, right?
Yeah.
But before that, you had this E90. What happened here?
I was rear-ended, full speed.
And then what happened? Insurance gave you a bunch of money, right?
No.
So whoever rear-ended you probably gave you a bunch of money, huh?
No.
No, you just got fucked. What are you gonna do with this? You tried to give it to Pick and Pull, huh?
Yes.
And they gave you what?
130, 150.
$150. So then we were like, fuck that, why don't we try and do something with this, right?
Yes.
So I got this angle grinder. We're gonna get rid of this trunk and then see if that helps us access the battery tray to see if we can get this car to start. I'm the drifter shithead, but I figured if Rachel had an extra car, maybe we could get her started on a little bit of fun. Nothing else wrong with the car. From what I can tell, the driveline is perfectly aligned. Mostly just the trunk and the rear windshield. Figured throw a piece of polycarb over the rear and seal it against weather and call it good. And then from there we need some way to seal the trunk. We can figure that out. And then just some taillights.
What if it hits my face?
It's fine, you have eyewear on. We're just gonna pretend that those are safety and it's fine. So after this happened, the car kind of sat out here and it started raining. So that was short work, about 2 30-second cuts. And we took this thing out and we're like, holy shit, the whole trunk is flooded. Ow. Oh well. So, after making a lot of noise, surprised nobody called the cops on us yet, needlessly cutting all this plastic out, realized the battery's on the right side. Should've just looked it up. Duh. Okay, the battery's in water. That's water. That can't be good. But we are going to fuck with this thing and see where the terminal popped off. Presumably, that's what happens when these cars get in a crash. This is fascinating. So in case of an accident, BMWs literally explode the positive like this out of here. There's a device that fucking pops this thing out. There's actual explosive in there and it just shoots the cable out. That's incredible. So that's why the car wasn't starting. Hi, girl. Hi.
Hey.
What's going on?
Why was it not starting? Because this was combusted?
Yeah, and what do? We hammered it back together. Reassembled this battery here and hammered the terminal back on, which I'm sure you are not supposed to do. And now, do we have a fancy leather bench that starts?
There's something.
It would appear the battery's dead. I saw a spark. I don't like sparks. Okay.
You don't like it, you don't like it!
That is a 1 unit of got 'em. And so it runs. I think if we do some cutting and put a big sheet of plexi over here, you think the cops will fuck with it? So exposed wire here, that needs to be addressed. Weather sealing, secure the battery down, tail lights, and plexi over here, and straighten these surfaces so we can mate something to it. And then ozone the motherfucker, get all the mold out of there, as much of it as you can. Party!